Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create premium investment web nor ad design using custom shapes. First we create a dark luxury background. Now we add circular or custom shapes. Then we overlap them for depth. After that we clip speaker image. Now we add gold tone gradient. Then we place trim and date inside shape. Next we design CTA button shape. Now we add subtle glow. After that we align everything centrally. Finally we export for paid traffic. Thanks.